All right, in this video, I want to talk about full color, when to use full color. And actually, I want to just inspire you about the potential of using full color because there are some really fun books that you can create when you decide to do full color. I'm going to go to the books category on Amazon, as you can see on my screen, and I want to look up activity books, full color edition, Christmas. I'm just testing, okay? I want to just get an idea of what is out there to be able to draw inspiration from. And I want to click on one that's not an ad. I don't want to make anybody lose a click because of me. But this first one's actually really good. Let's actually do that. Live and Play Studio, okay? So I'm able to identify the books. Let's see. I might actually have to click on that one. Okay, so because I run ads, I try not to click on people's ads. There we go. Okay, so this person is publishing full color, okay? And so when you do full color, you're going to be charged more for the printing, but customers love this. And so you want to make sure that you put it in your subtitle. You can see here that they have literally put full color pages in their subtitle so they know exactly what is here. Because it is more expensive to print, you also can do a little bit more features and make it not as long. So you can see here, this is 80 pages and it's 8.5 by 11. So it is more than enough to give the customer experience, okay? So number one, make sure you put the subtitle, you put full color edition or full color pages in the subtitle so people know. Number two, keep it under 100 pages so you have margins for profitability. And then the third tip, which is really important, is to make sure that your full color books always have A+ content. It will be really hard to sell a book this small for $10 without A+ content. Right now, this makes $25 a day. It's a great Christmas item. And as we scroll down, you can see that they have actually showed us exactly what's inside. And when we're using full color, we're not using drops of orange or blue in the corner. We're going all out. If you have a drop of color ink on your book, you're being charged for the entire page being a different color. So this is a really great example that you can see here. This teal background with the advent calendar, everything on here. There's barely any white, right? And the white is probably even printed. This next one, Ho Ho Ho, Santa's List, is a navy blue, a darker blue. And then Trivia Night has a light blue background with teal boxes. Even a postcard that they can rip out of the book to be able to send to people. So when you're doing full color, really lean into that and think about how much fun it is to do full color, because customers like that, they will pay for it and they will pay a little bit more. So these are just the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you about using full color, because there are some really great advantages, okay? So keep that in mind, keep publishing, keep looking for those profitable niches and gain inspiration. Don't copy people, gain inspiration from what you see. The inspiration that we learned here is that you should do all manner of color, right? It's not just a blue book, it's so many different colors, and that's what makes it so powerful. Let me know what other tutorials or quick tips I can help you with. I've published over 515 books. I have many students that follow my book income stream machine program, along with the bookish blueprint that helps you save step or just not spend so much time, right? Like I published 200 books in 30 days trying to figure it out, and I don't want that for anybody now. So love you guys. Peace out. See you in the next video.